Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at UWS's steel combo transfer tank. With UWS we have Brian. How you doing, Brian?
I'm very well. How are you, Stephen?
I am doing great. So Brian, in today's video we kind of want to cover a few major things. So the features and benefits of the product and the type of warranty and finishes you offer. And we'll get into the installation very briefly, but we won't get too far into that. So with that said, Brian, get us started on the product itself.
Okay, what we have here today we're looking at is a steel, 14 gauge steel tank with an 080 gauge aluminum box mounted to it. With the steel tank, we do have lifting points in the front. If you do decide to take the tank out of your bed, there's your points. However, remember to lift it empty. Don't lift it full of fuel.
Right.
We do provide baffles in the tank to prevent the fuel from sloshing around the movement of the truck. Sure. We also have welded tabs on the bottom for mounting points for the bed of your truck.
And you always want to make sure that you do that drilling to make sure this is secured into your bed. It's not going to be moving around.
Absolutely, absolutely. We do provide a lockable vented cap. Okay. And this tank is DOT certified for combustible, not flammable fuels.
Okay.
When I say combustible, diesel, not gasoline.
So being diesel, do you have a drain plug to kind of separate?
Absolutely. I'm glad you asked that question, Stephen. Drain plug on the side, on your side, to drain the water out of the tank.
That's a
diesel fuel does have a certain amount of water in it, yes sir.
Okay, so give us the details since we talked about the tank. What about the toolbox?
Okay, on the toolbox, we do have a patented rigid core foam-filled lid system, which we are known for, UWS.
Absolutely, the main feature.
and like I said before, this is an 080 gauge smooth aluminum. This does lighten the weight of the box, the whole tank and box system up considerably by using the aluminum. With this, the lid, we have weather stripping. Okay. We also provide a rod protector plate inside, prevent tools from jumping up or bouncing up against the rod. Stainless steel handle, stainless steel hardware with a lockable handle on that side.
Perfect. Now what type of finishes do you offer, and give us the warranty details?
Okay, we do offer a matte black, you see here. We also offer a gloss white finish. The warranty is a lifetime warranty on the structure, 1 year on parts and finish.
Perfect. Now with that all said, we're going to talk about the installation very briefly. There's not a lot to say here because it's so application specific. Just know you will have to drill into your bed, and you want to make sure you get this right. You don't want this moving anywhere when you're going down the road with fuel in the tank.
Absolutely.
So be very, very careful with that. If you have any questions or hesitations or just don't want to do the install yourself, which we understand, look below in the description. We'll have a dealer locator there so you can find a dealer in your area who's more than happy to do this install for you. All right, guys, that's a wrap on the UWS Combo Steel Transfer Tank. Before we go, though, Brian, thank you for coming today.
Thank you for having me, Stephen.
It's been a pleasure. Now, guys, I don't know if you have any questions or comments. Leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address those for you there. If you just want some additional details about the product, check below in the description. We'll have that part number and, again, that dealer locator so you can find and purchase this product at a dealer in your area. Now, if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.